All right, so now we're live properly. I'd started streaming and the stream was set to private because I was doing testing earlier and I forgot to change the um, settings back to public, which I didn't think, I thought it just applied to the VOD, but I guess not. But anyway, we should be live now. So cool. Let me just, says I'm offline here. Hold on just a minute. There we go. Yeah, it's okay. I'm sorry. I had it privated because I was doing testing. Okay. That was slight technical difficulties, but we're all right. Yeah, we got some tea. I'm just finishing it up, actually. Nothing really changed. I'm just trying to fix this thing here. So hero text setting 14. But there should be a no, it's not what I want to change. I'm just getting reoriented here. I feel like this should fix it though. Maybe even more of a gap. Why is that not changing? I'll do that next time. I don't feel like tweeting about it right now. I'm kind of lazy. I also only have one follower, so no one's really gonna come from there anyway. Okay. So why isn't this changing the gap here? I need to figure that out. Oh, it's like overflowing the area of the... Why is that happening? Oh, because I need to change the hero text gap, maybe? Yeah, that's better, but now it's overflowing the hero section. I don't think Cheetan's gonna follow, dude. Oh, it's because I have a fixed height here. So if I make this more, like way more, let's just like do 400. Yeah, okay, that works. Is that div fit content? I don't know. Why is this happening like this? I don't know what's going on. Oh, okay, so justify content space between, and then we just need to make the height. I don't know what that is. I don't know what fit content is. Okay, that should be good enough though. Let's see. Oh. I didn't know that was a thing. Okay, so now that works. But I don't want the gap to be that high. So like if we did 32, then that should bring these in. Or not. What the why is this happening like this? Oh, because that's the gap between these two things. That's not what I'm thinking here. I'm getting lost. Okay, that's better. That's fair. Does this image have a fixed height though? Let me see. No, just has it just has a grow. So what if I did width? No, it'd be height, I guess. I feel like there's some padding here that I'm missing. Maybe. Yeah, around the hero. Or even inside here. Oh, because it's centered. Okay. But then why is it that high? Okay, so you know what we want to do? We want to do space between. But then we want the... I want to condense the height of this image. I didn't even know you had a second monitor. Okay, what is the problem? You know what? Like, it's honestly not that big of a deal. See, but it's just too much of a gap here. I want this to be... Well, that's got to be your PC monitor. I don't think it's mine, because my stream should be... it should be 1440p, 60 FPS. Or at least that's what I set it as. I don't know how to... Like, what if I just got rid of this? Oh, okay. That's flex for the width. But I don't know how to, like, change the height here. I want to make this not as high. So could I, like, do that explicitly in here? No. No, 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 no. Okay, so that's better. But then now I want the whole... Oh, you know what? No, no, no. What if we just... Because this... I feel like it's this causing the trouble here. I feel like fit content is... Oh, height fill? I don't think that changed anything. No. What if I just, like, guessed a number? Oh, for image. No, didn't change anything. Okay. I'll just put a manual, because I don't know why it's so tall here. I don't know what the deal is. Fill container. Bro, just let me do this, please. I don't think that's a thing. No. Okay, I'll just figure it out. Okay, that's better. You should get to work. Okay, that looks a little bit more like, did I set like height 64 pixels? No, I didn't set explicit heights for each one. Okay, so that looks fine. That looks like this. Or at least it's close enough. I could even do it less. But it has more padding on the bottom. Oops. What the heck? I am way overthinking this, to be honest with you. What if I just... No, I don't need that gap here. I'm gonna stop futzing with it. What would get mega views? Yeah, well, this is not that channel, so not happening. Cards list, I think that's what it is. Oh, you know what we're missing? We're missing the rain sound. I was like, why is it so quiet? There we go. Rain's back. Okay. Actually, should just work. Okay, that's good. Maybe a gap of... Actually, I could probably justify content space between. It doesn't really change much. Gap of, like... that. Okay, these need to be a little bigger. Yeah, like... 200? What if I just did height auto? Would that just make it a square? No. Okay. Is there an easier way to make... Oh, I could just do that. But, I mean, it's the same amount of typing, so... Oh, is the text centered too? Yeah, it is. Okay. Is it cards list item text caption? Wait, what? Oh, just cards list caption. Those guys are a little smaller. Wait, what? No, you don't need. I'm just using what the design shows here. I'm not actually putting in the image. Okay, so if I do... Let's just do aspects. Nah, too lazy. Too lazy. Okay, so the only trouble is this is aligned with that. Bro, just leave. No, I'm not gonna put that on there. Not gonna happen. At least just let me finish the layout first, and then I'll think about doing that. Okay, I don't know how to do this. Let's see. Do I need another container for these to live in? For the width to be... Or you know what I could do is for the item I could, because the items themselves have, they're like taking up as much of the width as they can. Yeah. No, okay. I haven't learned grid yet, technically, in the course, so I have to do this entirely with Flexbox. That's the point of the exercise. So I need to think about this. No, it's okay. It's okay. The point of the exercise is to only use Flex. I'm just thinking about how to align the text with the pictures. Unless, like, I shouldn't worry about it that much. Because, like, if I made these smaller, that's like close enough, I think, to be honest with you. Oh no, but see, even when you go to this view, then it screws up. There might actually be more padding on these two. These two sections might have more width padding than these ones, the hero and the action. So what I'm thinking is if we do the header, the hero, and the action, and the footer. Header, hero, action, footer. Have that, and then for the cards and the quote, we'll do like 20% or something. Yeah, that's a little better. Because then it matches this kind of idea here. You know what I could do as well is I could just make the width. Screw having a fixed size. Why don't I just make the width like auto or something? Oh no, that's not gonna work. Fit content? No. How do I make the width like take up the whole thing? Okay, see? That's better. That's better. And then what I could do as well is I could add gaps between the items, like 16 pixels or something. Yeah, see? There we go. That's better. That's more like it, I think. You can actually add a bigger gap than that. Like maybe 48 pixels. And then when we have the web, see, that's a little better. I mean, it's not perfect, but it looks decent. And then below the cards list, we could add like a padding bottom of like some amount. Maybe that's too much. 64. There we go. Okay, you know what? For sake of practice, I'll do the image. Just have to open up Discord. Okay. Let's see. Save image to downloads. Okay. And then we'll like import it in here. Actually, I'm gonna make an images folder first. There we go. Okay, and then we'll add that in the hero image. Okay, that's screwed up now. Okay, wait, hold on. That messed royally screwed up the website. Or the page. How do we fix it? Under hero image. Okay. I need to like, I don't know. Let me do it. I don't think fit container is a thing. No, it doesn't work. Maybe width. What the why is this doing this? Oh, I see. Okay. This isn't gonna work. Oh, it's because it's flexed itself. Maybe, no. I don't know what the hell. I need to move this to the bottom. Is there not a way to... There we go. This is like genuinely. Okay, that's not. Let's just set a hard value. Let's just do. Let's see. Okay. So obviously, okay. I could just like come up with an arbitrary, like if I did like 300, and then aspect ratios, inherit maybe. Wait, what? Is it? I guess it's just that stretched. Okay, 500's good, I think. Yeah, okay. Okay. That looks better. Maybe like 400. Why did that not actually change anything? I don't know. Oh, because there's like a max size, I bet. Weird. Now that I have... Oh, okay. See, now that I'm doing... I honestly don't know what's here. Let's try redeploying it. Yeah, see, okay. So it wasn't updating. Am I targeting the right thing? Oh, because I didn't add the class to the image, bro. Of course. I was so confused. Okay, so now we're getting somewhere. Okay. So I think 100%'s a little high. Although I thought, can I do width? What's width auto do? Does it just make it the... Yeah, okay, it just makes it the biggest size it could be. I'll just hard code it. I don't really care. Yeah. And then I think for these things, like I'll do like 500. Well, that's maybe a little big. 300. Okay. All right, I'm getting the hang of it now. We can add some rounded border radius. There we go. Okay. Does it look good so far? I think so. I think that's good enough. I don't want to... muck around with it too much more. Oh wait, not cards list item. That's not what I wanted. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the validation. I appreciate it. Hero texts. Okay. Good. Okay, so I think we can do the quote now. I think this card section is done. So let's do the quote. Actually, we'll do a commit first. Add card styling and image for hero. Okay. quote section. I think it's just called quote, is it not? Yeah, quote text and then quote author. Okay, so display flex. Flex direction, column. Justify content, center, align items, center. Background color is secondary as well. Okay. And then we want to add oh, actually, you know what? I want to make height min height. I can maybe make min height. What if I just remove this entirely? Oh, okay, I see. What if I just added like a goofy amount of padding? Yeah, okay, it does push it down like that. Okay, that's what I wanted. Okay, that's good. Wait, why is this not? Is there not padding? I want padding on the top and bottom here. Yeah, see? It's a little overkill, but I want that padding in there. Padding top, padding bottom. Or is it the other way around? Let me see. CSS, padding, shorthand. Okay, I don't want... It's top, right, bottom, left. Okay. That's what I thought. Top and bottom, and then left and right. So... Can I just do auto for this, maybe? Is that the right, like... thing? Yeah, I don't know. Okay, whatever. I'll just type it out. Okay, that's what I wanted. I was trying to do the shorthand, but it wasn't working. Let's just do like 64. It's better. Gap. Actually, we could probably align items. No, not align items. Space between. Okay. And then quote text. We can do. It needs to be font size. What's the font size? 36. Font weight 300. Font or just color. I don't know, it'll just be dark background. And then fonts. Did font style? Italic, yeah. Okay. That's what we want. Okay. Quote text. And then we want the quote author to be. I guess it doesn't give a size, but let's just say like 20 pixels. And then, whoa, Not WebKit. Right. Oh, because I justified aligned item center. That's what I want. There we go. That's it. That's it, that's it, that's it. Actually, because I'm doing padding top and bottom here, I might just add that padding to everything. Can I unit mix here? Actually, I probably can. Yeah, I can. Cool. And then I need to get rid of extra padding in the hero section. Cool, 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 cool. So. I feel like the card section has padding that I don't want as well. Oh no, that's... It would just be padding bottom here. Or I could just do gap. Same thing. Cool. Alright, that looks good. And then now we just have the action section, and then we're done. So let's just whip that guy up really quick. Actually need to put this in there. Oh, actually, I can do it the nice way. Emit wrap dot maybe action text. Sure. Oh, not for the whole thing. Whoops. I need to somehow make like an area of the... So we need to wrap this in another thing, which is gonna... It's kind of annoying, but... What the... No, that's not what I wanted to do. Emit action area. Okay. That's better. That's what I wanted. Okay, and then we need to... Just needs a outline, right? Yep. So border 4 pixels solid primary text color. Oh. Was this 4 pixels too? Yeah. Okay. Border, radius 8 pixels, and then padding 24 pixels. Is that about what we want? Like 4 and like 32. It's a little better. 2 pixels. A little thinner. I think we need a little bit more around the action area. We need a little bit more padding. And yeah, I think that's pretty good. I think that's a success, if you ask me. We've got the... This is the mock-up, and then this is what I made. I think it works. So, cool. Alrighty. So I'll just make that final commit. I'll publish it, and then we'll move on to some JavaScript for maybe an hour and a bit, and then that'll be it for today, I think. Okay, actually, what do we want to say? Add styles. No, add action section. Styles. Can I just like command? It's a command shift enter. How do I like just can I commit without? How do I? Is there a shortcut to accept the commit message? I don't know. Git push origin main. Okay. Oh, also I want to change the. I increase the font size of the text editor. So I want to increase the font size of the terminal text. A little nicer. Hopefully it looks a little bit easier to read on the stream. I can even increase it one size higher, but I kind of like the 15. I think that's good. So you can just we'll deploy this guy here, and then yeah. Where is it? It's a little wide, but you know, it's all right. You know, it doesn't need to be perfect or anything, so I think it's fine. I'm not gonna overthink it. And then we'll do, it should be itmanbanana dot, and then Odin landing page. Yeah. Okay, cool. Alrighty, there we go. So let's do some JavaScript. I guess like yeah. We'll just make like a and then we'll do sick. Cool. Yeah, and then of course you can do I think you can link it, right? Oh no, scripts. But do you put that in the body? I think you do, right? Oh wait, that's not how you do that. And then in the script, we can just do yeah, that still works. Yeah, so we can make like a little implementation of this is kind of like we just do Fibonacci. So we can say let A be equal 1 and then let C equal 0. Actually, we can do A, B, C. I think you're allowed to do multiple variable assignments in one line. We can say while C is less than some arbitrarily large number. We can say C equals A plus B, A equals B, B equals C, console.log. Actually, we'll console log it first. Sounds good, no worries. No problem. Safe travels. Yeah, I don't know if I'll still be here in an hour. Maybe? Possible? Okay, so now if you look at the document here. Oh, sorry. Wait. What? Oh. Is it this way? No. I'm dumb. I can't even do a friggin' Fibonacci implementation. No, it should be... Yeah, so C would be set to 2. A would be set to 1, and then B would be set to 2. And then be 1 plus 2, and then, so that should work. I don't know what the problem is here. Maybe there's something preventing, maybe it thinks it's going to be like an infinite loop or something. Oh, because maybe JavaScript is stupid. Because those are all pointing to the same spot in memory. Yep, that's exactly why. Okay. So, when you do your... Oh, actually, let's just do X and Y for sake of example. When you're doing a multiple variable assignment like this, the variables X and Y are both pointing to the same location in memory. But when you have them separate, it creates their own locations in memory. Which is important. I forgot that was how that worked. So there's a little implementation of the Fibonacci sequence to 100,000. So pretty cool. And you could also do it if we multiply the two together. Oh, well, obviously, no, that wouldn't work. Because we would need to start like that. Hold on. I didn't just stop that. Oh, I glitched it. I made it an infinite loop. My bad. That was stupid. Because, of course, 1 times 1 will be 1, and it'll just go on and on and on. Yeah, see? There we go. And then that just gives you powers of 2, I guess. But it grows faster. We'll do it like that. Okay. Alright. So, that's JavaScript. I'm honestly gonna leave the assignment piece alone because it's kind of pretty basic, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, like we've got you know, just basic manipulation of variables and stuff like that. Let's see what this looks like here. The other thing, obviously, that JavaScript isn't, that TypeScript is it's dynamically typed, which is kind of annoying. But the thing is, it's funny, because I've never actually used TypeScript before, so that's interesting, I guess. I don't know. Okay. So, going for 57 minutes. Let's just mark this. So, what are the 3 keywords can you use to declare new variables? I think it's let, const, and var, but var is deprecated. Yeah. Camel case, maybe? Is that what it recommends? Yeah. Camel case or snake case. Or no, that's not snake case. Snake case would be underscores, right? I think so. Unless I'm tripping. Yeah. Kebab case. Okay. That's the hyphenated one. Okay. Okay, okay. I see. Um, Cool. And then what happens when you add numbers and strings together? I actually don't know. I think is there a type error? Oh wait, that's not what I wanted to do. Can I not comment this? Yeah, there we go. I genuinely don't know what happens. Might be stupid of me. Probably a type error though. Oh. Not really? It treats the number as a string? That's interesting. I guess actually that makes sense. So, but if I do let a equal 3 plus 3 and then console log a, then this is going to give me trouble. Or not. Or not. Because JavaScript's just like that. Okay. Just appends them together. Because I guess it... What if I did it the other way around? I guess it would be the same, wouldn't it? Yeah. Okay. Obviously, remainder operator, modular arithmetic, increment and decrement a number, plus plus minus minus. So I think if you prefix and postfix, I think prefix does the, so if you're doing it like, if you're prefixing, like if you have a for loop or something, and you're saying like let I equal 1, and then I is less than like a, and then I, so if you do I plus plus like here, that means this value is read before it's incremented. And then if you prescript it, like here, that means it's incremented before it's read. So if we did, let's say A is 33, and then we just did console.log I, then we shouldn't see the number 1 logged. It should just be 2 to 33, I think. Unless this is... Or is that not how this works? I thought that was... My understanding was that's how that worked. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, actually, no, never mind. No, I don't. Wait. Oh, it's about return values. So I think, yeah, okay, I see. I see. See, I was under the impression that when you did this, it was being immediately used, so I thought that this would be incremented before the log, but I guess not. I guess that's not how for loops work. I don't know. I don't know, man. Operator precedence. Just like general for any programming language, really. Dev tools. It's just simple. Function F12. Urinary plus operator do to the string representation of integers. I actually don't know. What does it do? Actually, no. Let's see. What does this do? Oh, does it just make it positive or something? I don't know. Actually, I genuinely have no idea. Oh, or does it just append an empty string? Oh, I actually didn't know that. So if you, it's just an easy way to convert a string to a number. Interesting. I did not know that. What if I did this then? Is this gonna be -10? Oh, see, look at that. Interesting. But what if I did this? No. So it just converts it to a number. I see. Cool. Yeah, I was not aware of that. Very cool. Okay. I should have Node installed though, right? Whoops. Is that the most recent version? Setting the node version. nvm use LTS. Oh. Can't type. 24.13. Most recent node version. Oh, that is not the most recent. Oh, LTS is 24.13. I see. Long-term service. Or support, I guess. Okay. That's fair. I guess they don't want us to use buggy stuff. Okay. npm 11.6.2. Okay, that's node done. Oh, data types and conditionals. Okay, so we're actually going to download a guy here. Wait, why do I need to fork it, bro? I'm not forking it. I don't need to put it on my GitHub. Okay, npm installation. Oh, okay. Okay. So we'll code in here. Ah, okay, I see. Oh wait, actually. CD foundations. Code in this guy. Okay. Okay. Oh, you know what? Because we're not actually in the folder. Oh, cool. Okay. That worked. That worked. That worked. That worked. Oh, it's just this. Wait, what? Is that not what we want? Oh, because... Okay. I mean, I could do that, but I think I thought they were wanting me to do the plus syntax. Okay, that works. Wait, how many, Oh, I just have to do 5. Oh, don't make me... I need to do all these. Okay, thank you. I actually don't know what the non-primitive type is here. Oh, object. Maybe. Yeah. Because it's not like a single datum. It's kind of like a... It can be kind of like an amalgam of data. Hold on, I'm just going to turn on the light. Okay. So... I think, how much JavaScript is there here? Oh, there's quite a bit. I think I can get to rock, paper, scissors for sure tonight. Then I'll probably end it. Typo, okay. Yeah, and then we'll do 4. Okay, what do you want me to do here? Oh, you just want me to change these to the equations of what they describe. That's silly. The remainder of 5 divided by 4. Okay, whoops, what was it? The variable b minus 17. Sum of the previous 5 variables. npm test 0. Oh, I gotta get rid of the skipped ones. Actually, I can do this faster. Whoa. Okay. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Volume number 5. Probably don't even need to look at the example, do I? No. This is like easy stuff. Okay. Or no, wrong way. Wait, how do I do formatted strings? Oh, right. Yeah, good. Wait, how do I No, 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 no. I don't want AI, bro. I want AI. Oh, it's, $. Okay, this should work. I would think. And there's probably going to be a lot of skips. Yeah. Okay, what ones did I fail here? Oh, do you want me to do just like literal numbers? Fine. I thought the point was to convert them, but that's okay. That should work then. Yeah. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, that's it for that guy. I don't know what the 8 data types are. You got like integer or number. Is it just number? Is it number? Number, big int, string, boolean, null, undefined, symbol, and object. I actually don't know the difference between them. Okay. Single is used for character, doubles for string and backticks for formatted. Or no, I guess not. I don't actually know the difference between the single. Oh yeah, see, they're the same. Single quotes and strings declared using double quotes. Yeah, okay. Concatenation. Backticks. $sign with the brackets. How do you use escape characters? Is it like a backslash? Yeah. I think substring returns the substring, whereas slice actually returns an array. Does it not? Oh, returns the extracted. Okay. Or did I have it backwards? Oh, okay, that's a pretty banal difference. And or not. Yeah. Comparison greater than less than equals. Not equals. Or greater than or equal, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Putting code in one side of other. Yeah, nesting if statements. So if this, then if that, basically. Easy peasy. Okay. Make switch. What's the syntax for switch anyway? Oh, okay. It's the same as in C, I think. Or does C even have switch statements? It does. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, it is the same. It's the same. Okay. JavaScript developer tools. Actually going to take a quick 2-minute break. Go to the washroom and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. JavaScript.info. Why? There's no, no hello.js in here now. I don't know. Oh, oh, we're on the wrong page. I'm so dumb, bro. So stupid. Okay. Okay. Well, that's how we do the split view. I see. Okay. And then now... That's not what I wanted to do. Hotkey F10, similar step. We can pair them. Oh, I can do this, I guess. Okay, so let's run it again. F10 command. That's so stupid. Now we're doing some crazy stuff here. Enable, disable all breakpoints. So if I disable them now and then I run it, yeah, it should just go through. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I close this pane. Yeah, we did this guy already. I think I put this... Yeah, I put that in saved. View and change, CSS. We did this guy already, I think. And then we did CSS features reference. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's a lot. This is a regular breakpoint, and then a conditional breakpoint, and then log point. Oh, I see. Okay, so that's what the pink one is, right? Yeah. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. DOM change. Oh, I see. Okay, so if the DOM changes due to some JavaScript, then you can do a breakpoint there. Don't exceptions cause stops execution anyway, so I don't know what the point of that is. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, that's cool. You can print out a table in the console and it like formats it. Wait, can I type multi-line things into the console? Function add. Oh wait, stupid. A, B, plus 20. Oh, you can just straight up. Cool. Cool. Alright. Okay, that's good. Function basics. Alright. I know what a function is, obviously. I don't think I would have graduated without knowing that. So I'm just kind of skimming this. Let's see. Function basics. Wait, is this not the same page? Oh no, this is that one, okay. Well, function scope is just, if you define a variable within a function, It's only accessible in that function unless it's global. But I don't think you can define globals inside of functions, can you? What is global this? Is that like, oh, I see. Global.myglobal. I don't know what global this is. It's okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, arrow functions are just a condensed syntax. Hello. Welcome back. I'm just trying to think why. Do you not need to have a return? Oh, interesting. You don't need to have an explicit, you don't have to explicitly put return. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Gotta put on a blocker. I don't know why I don't have one yet. Who's Marshall? Oh, I see. He's a little cat guy. Or squirrel, maybe? Chinchilla? Yeah, it's a squirrel. That's cool. Yeah, okay. I already know what the call stack. Okay, let's just do function declaration, function expression. Function expression you set to a thingy. Set to a variable. Okay, let's do this in the console here. So let's see. Add 7 that takes in one number. Add 7 takes in a number. Okay. Turn A plus 7. Okay. Now add 7 of 10 should be 17. Good. Multiply. Oh, function. Multiply A, B. Actually, I could just nah. Just do this. And then multiply. Nice. Capitalize. It takes strings and returns string with only the first letter capitalized. Only the first letter capitalized. Okay. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay. I think it's, is it string dot split? I think it's, okay, so what does this do? I lost it. And then oh, it's not too upper? What the heck is it? Oh, it's too uppercase. Of course it is. What? Oh, for variable or for character? Oh, that should work. Split. Why? Oh, I'm thinking of not split. What am I thinking of? Slice? Ah. That's what I want. 0, 0. Oh, 0, 1. Yeah, okay, that's it. Okay. And then plus 2 to the end. Or 1 to the end, I guess. Can I just like, how do I like let, yeah, okay, end is omitted. Okay, so good. That works. Can I like increase the font for this? There we go. Yeah, and then last letter. String takes, returns, slice, string dot length -2, -1. GG. Okay. Problem solving. What are we at? Okay, we're almost there. This is a bunch of yapping. This article. Now this, if there's anything I learned in my CS degree, it's problem solving. Pseudocode is not necessarily natural language. Fizzbuzz. Okay, yeah, that's pretty easy. Pretty basic. So input's a number, and then do the steps. And you just do an if-else chain. This is basically just rewriting the other article. That's a YouTube video that's an hour long. No shot. No shot. See, this is like a little bit more recent. Yeah, already familiar with pseudocode. Algorithm is a sequence of logical steps to solve a problem. Right. Yeah, it's like a recipe. Exactly. Makes it easier. Makes it easier. Okay. Understanding errors. I think the error is a common, yeah, object, yeah. Yeah, reference error, type error. I don't think, do they have, yeah, type error. Then syntax error. Tips for resolving. I don't know if this is like controversial, but I never really, maybe I haven't built anything big enough, but I don't really use breakpoints that much, to be honest. I kind of just see, like, because usually with the error, it has a return line. Like, it gives you the call stack. And it gives you the line that it's on in the script. So I usually figure that's enough. And usually if it's a continuously running, like, program, it'll stop itself when an error happened. So the heck is console.table? Is that a thing? It's not what I wanted. Okay. Okay, so it just displays tabulated data. I'm not gonna read that. Yeah, I cannot set properties in null. That's pretty easy. I feel like it's like, given that JavaScript is dynamically typed and it does all these weird automatic type conversion things when you try to do things that seem like it'll break it, like if you try to add a number and a string together, it like just has internal systems that account for those things. Like if you try to add a string and a number together, it'll just concatenate the two and treat both as if they're strings. So I don't know. I feel like it's really difficult to get a type error. But I could be wrong. Like explicit typing. Breakpoints and stuff. Console log, yeah. Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. We're gonna do this piece here, and then okay. plus foundations. Can I do a script tag in the head? Tag in head. And then I can do like a defer on it, right? Yeah, defer, yeah. Wait, what the heck? Should be green, no? Okay. Oops. Okay. Yeah, that works. Okay. So I could do math dot floor dot random times 3. So what we could do is we could do const choices. And then let index equal, or choice, I guess, maybe. And then return choices, choice. Okay, then that should be like a random, yeah, so paper and then paper, 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 scissors, rock, 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 scissors, 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 paper, rock, scissors, scissors, paper. Yeah. Okay. Actually, I can just, to make this easier, I can just do this. Okay. Okay. Write logic that gets human choice. Okay, so function get human choice. And then we'll say prompt choose one. Rock, paper, scissors. And then we'll put it into human choice. Does this need to be declared beforehand? Maybe not. And then oh, reprompting if the user enters invalid input. This would require things that we'll teach later. Okay, but since I'm a good programmer, I can do input validation. BRB, no problem. So let's say, okay, so let's say function is valid choice, choice, if choice in is in, can I do is? Or no, how do I do this again? It's like, so if you have a variable, if choices dot, is it like if choices dot contains, has, includes, that's what it is, includes choice. Actually, I could just return this. And then we could say if, we could say return human choice. How can I do this, actually? Let's see. We'll say let human choice. And then we'll say while, we'll just do this in a while loop. While human is valid, or while not is valid, human choice. And then we'll prompt the user. And then we'll return human choice. Because that'll check. It won't exit the while loop until it's a valid choice. Right? So if we try this now, let's just say get human choice. Like, so if we do like dumb, it's not gonna work. But if we choose like rock, rock, rock. Okay, that's not working how I wanted it to. Let's just kill it. While not is valid choice, human choice. Does that not set this? Okay, how does, let me make sure that I know how prompt works. Oh, it's, I see. Works like this. Let's just do rock as a default. I don't know why I thought it worked that way. Okay, that'll do then. So now, if we do rock, that'll work. And then if we do paper, that'll work. But then if we do bullshit, scissors works. Okay. Yeah, that logic works. Okay. Okay. And then we'll do... Let's see. Player scope variables. Okay, so human score equals 0. Let computer score equals 0. Okay. And then play around. Human choice and computer choice. That's kind of confusing because this human choice is in this scope of this function, whereas this is an argument, but it doesn't really matter. I'll just say let choice. Okay, use these parameters. Okay. Oh, it should be case insensitive. Okay, that's fine. Choice dot to lowercase. I'll just make that distinction. Right. Okay. So then we'll do. Is there another function for? Oh, the human selection calls play around to play 5 rounds, keeps track of score. Okay, that's fine. So we'll say if, we'll do like an if. We need to do an if thing here. I think I can actually do. No, there's no way to do that. So if we take the index of that, no, I'll just do it, I'll hard code it. Write the code for play around function. So if so we have like 9 possibilities, right? So there's got to be like an easier way to handle all those 9 possibilities, but you know what I can do? Function compare to computer. Just compare to computer choice or something, and then choice or human choice. Wait, how would I do this? Compare to computer choice, human choice. I don't actually know if this will make sense. I don't think refactoring this is going to work. Okay, fine. I'll just do it manually. I don't care. So we'll do if human choice equals rock, else if human choice paper, else if. I think actually I could do 3 equal signs here. Hold on just a sec. Okay, and then else if scissors, okay, and then we'll say if computer choice equals rock, console.log tie, and then there's no score increments. So else if computer choice paper, console.log computer shows paper. Wait, what is the function? You lose paper beats rock. Oh, okay. You lose and then we'll do another else if here. Computer shows scissors. Scissors, or rock beats scissors. You win. Human score plus plus. Just copy paste this guy. Paper, rock, computer shows rock. Oh no, scissors actually. Computer shows scissors. Scissors beats paper. Rock. Computer shows rock. Hey. I'm gonna only be live for another couple minutes and then I gotta go. Rock beats paper, or no, paper beats rock. Scissors. Computer shows paper. Rock here. Rock beats scissors. You lose, and then computer choices paper. Then computer shows paper. Paper or scissors beats paper. You win. Okay. Function play game. Then I will actually so we'll do 4 rounds actually. rounds, let I equals 0, I is less than rounds, I plus plus, and then we'll say get computer choice, or well, let's see, let computer choice equal this, and then let human choice human computer choice. And then does it output the score every time? Sure. Human, or you, I guess I could say. You, human score, computer score. Okay, and then at the very bottom, say play game with 5 rounds. So let's open up the console. Let's say rock, paper, rock, paper, and then scissors. So we tied. Cool. All right, I'll make that commit. Game logic implemented. Okay, that's going to end it for stream today. I got to run, and thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you around.